will talk about how can you enable likes notifications on your app. We're going to figure out this relation on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go up of this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click on profile. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go up of this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click on settings here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Just go down here. Then you click here on notification filter. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to likes. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's me likes notifications enable with us now. Go above save, click on it. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.